Okay, in today's video, we're going to see if I can burn my couch. You know what? I did mean to get a bowl of water, but oh well. I got this at Walmart. It's one long string. I wish I'd kept the package. I'll try to put a link in the description. And it's like a little, what do you call it, garland of flowers in the wedding section. And they're kind of weird looking. But I've seen some videos where people melt fabric and make flowers, and I thought, well, I might could do that. This one I worked on. I got up early before I went to work, and so I had time to work on this one a little. It still don't look great, but it looks better than that, don't it? So I don't know if I'll work on that one more yet or not, but I'm gonna light this candle. And I was doing it outside with a lighter, and that wasn't a good idea. It the wind blows and it burns your fingers, and the heat doesn't go to the flower good. So what I did is I took these little flowers, they got the little felt back on them, and I just kind of bend this felt back to where it looks kind of like a carnation, I guess. And I'm gonna hold it over the flame until I see the petals kind of curling. It don't take long, and you don't want to hold it too close, or you'll get like a singe, a dark place. And then I'm gonna rearrange it. It took a while. I've never done this before, and I think this little garland was, did you see that one kind of melt? Let me see if I can see that one. I think it was like 4 or 5 something. But you know, if you were going to use these, to me, they just, I don't know, they don't look that good. You know, do something like this and make them look a little better. I think I singed it a little. I'm kind of new to this burning petals business, so I was probably holding it too close. But I like to experiment, so you learn what you can do and what you shouldn't do on my YouTube channel. 'Cause I'm just experimenting. Let's see. And I tell you what, using a lighter, not a good idea. I think you're supposed to keep it moving pretty good. And let's see. Let me get this out of the way. Okay, let's compare this. Well, let me flatten it back out to be fair. Flatten that little felt back out. Let's see. It already looks better than that one. Just what little time I spent on it. And then, you know, once you get it kind of melted, and you can open it and see, you know, here's some smooth looking ones. I'm trying to see if I can get a good angle. Just kind of go in and melt them a little bit. Ow, ow, it's hot. Caution. I don't know what kind of fabric this is, but it stays pretty hot. Okay, and well, still pretty straight looking right there. But you know, they're kind of sticking together the way I'm doing it, but I don't care. It still looks better than, I just didn't like it. I guess if you hung enough of them, they'd look okay, but they just don't really look like flowers to me. Maybe that's some kind of decor look, I don't know. To me, it's kind of ugly. A little on the ugly side. So I will scorch them. Okay, let's flatten it back out. But see, the way these are built, you know, they have these big spaces. But okay, let's compare again. See? I think it looks plumb cute. Okay, let me wad it up again. The only one I've ever done was that one I showed you that I did this morning, so we're kind of learning together. Now if I don't set the thread that's attached to it on fire, we'll be alright. Or the whole flower, that would be terrible. I don't know if I'd edit that out or not. Just remember, this fabric stays a little melted and hot, and you might burn your finger like I did. Alright. I'm expecting the hamburger and fries to come home pretty soon. Oh, well, and my boyfriend too. So, I'm gonna have to stop this when he gets here. I was gonna pick one up on my way home, and the place I decided to get one at closed at 3:30. Jeez. So I'm gonna really sock it to it. Alright. Let's see where y'all at right there. So we still got some straight places in there. Look at that. Is that pretty or what? That looks so much better. Okay, you know, I was going to do one whole row, so I've messed up. Now I've got one done on this row and one done on this one. But, you know. Okay, let's do this where you can see me do a bigger one. But, don't that look better? Awesome. Okay. So let's do this bigger one. I wonder if I should... Well, let's try to... Before we squinch it, let's try to get some of these straight places in the middle. Maybe it's showing. Oh, come on now. Start curling. Oh, there we go. Ooh. Ooh. I think even if I scorch it, it's gonna look better than that mess. Sorry if y'all used that at a wedding or something, but it'd be pretty, I guess, but it could always be prettier. And if you talk and breathe on it, the heat won't be going towards your flower. I've got a dress my mom wore a lot. Well, not a lot, but it was like her favorite dress, and I'm wanting to try to make some petals out, because I kept wondering, what am I going to do with this dress? I couldn't get rid of it, and all. So I'm thinking about making some flowers out of it. If I do, I'll make a video. I can't fit in it. Maybe 10 years ago I could have. 15 years ago, I don't know. But and I'm feeling a lot better. You know, I was sick for a while. Oh god. And today I feel better. Yeah, my new job, I was all finally like, I'm not gonna make it. I'm not gonna be able to do it. But I didn't know I was still, you know, wimpy-fied from being sick. Let's see. I think that works better, maybe. Oh! I almost burned the camera. Oops. Okay. Now, where are we at now? Goodness gracious. Now I'm going to gather it. Looks pretty good like that, but... So, I'm pinching up this little white felt on the back. Got it looking kind of carnation-ish. Let me see if I can get it where you can see it really good. Well, no, I got off camera. Oh well, I'll just set it back down. Okay. Oh, hot heat. I'll have to be a little more graceful at this. And I'll have to learn to quit breathing on my flame. Now the videos I watched, I didn't hear them screaming and carrying on, so I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Or maybe they were just holding it in. Suffering in silence. But yeah, I really think it would be a good idea to have a bowl of water handy, because you know, you never know. Might flame up or something. That wouldn't be good. I meant to do that, I just forgot. Okay, now let me slide that over. Let's see what we got. Let me flatten it out. Not too great. See, it's got the big sections. Like, well, I don't know. Well, here's a big one. I had to cut that off. That was extra. I don't know how they're put together, really. But, so I need to cook it a little more right there. There's a word they call this, but I can't remember what it is. I don't think it's cook. Ugh, boy, I done some melting on that one right there. But I think it's kind of pretty. Alright, let me... Maybe if I spread it the other way. Can't see what I'm doing. And I guess some fabrics probably kind of melt or curl or whatever quicker. Okay, let's carnation it again. Wood. Oh, that's hot. Who would ever thought fire would be hot? Yeah, most people that do this, I've seen videos, they're a little more patient than I am. I think I may be getting it too close. I don't know. Okay, let's see. That looks pretty good. Now I'm going to carnation it again, just where I'll have, you know, different areas that melt or whatever. Oh, there's got to be a better way. Alright, let's move the hot wax. Okay, so we got that one, and there's one I did this morning. I got a little more brave on that one. And okay, let's put this in the middle. Okay. Good, better, best. Well, really, kind of ugly, kind of okay, and pretty. To me. Did I do? Yeah, I did one of these. Okay, well, there's a comparison. Let's get these big ones out of the way. Now the little ones, they don't look as bad when they ain't melted. But what do you think? I think it's, let's get rid of the Let's just do my melted cooked. Pretty good. Okay, now let's do a pile of ugly ones. See? Would you want that at your wedding? Or would you want that? So, okay. Maybe I'll remember to put the link, and hope this helps you, and hope I hadn't overheated the camera with my flame. Thanks for watching, and subscribe. I got another video I'm working on. I just gotta let this stuff dry, and so I should be able to put it up tomorrow. So subscribe and stay tuned and hit like, and see you later.